Hi guys, I hope you all will be fine. In this video, we are telling you some basic and useful shortcut keys for your PC. I hope you will enjoy these by using them. So let's start. The first key is F4. F4 is to display the address bar list in the File Explorer. If you want to search for a file or folder in the File Explorer, press F3. Ctrl plus D is to delete the selected item and move it to the recycle bin. If you want to close the active document, Ctrl plus F4. If you want to refresh the active window, press F5. To paste the selected item, Ctrl V. F10 is to active the menu bar in the active app. If you want to redo any kind of action, Ctrl plus Y. Alt plus Enter. Press Alt plus Enter to display the properties for the selected item. If you want to open the Start menu, Ctrl plus Escape. Just press Ctrl plus Escape to open the Start menu. If you want to cycle through items in the order in which they were opened, Alt plus Escape. Alt plus spacebar is to open the shortcut menu for the active window. Ctrl plus R is to refresh the active windows. If you want to go back from any window, Alt plus left arrow. Ctrl plus X is to cut the selected item. Alt plus Tab. It is the key to switch between open apps. Alt plus Shift plus arrow keys is the key when a group or tile is in focus on the Start menu. Move it in the direction specified. If you want to go forward, Alt plus right arrow. When a tile is in focus on the Start menu, move it into another tile. To create a folder, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus arrow keys. Ctrl plus Alt plus Tab and use the arrow keys to switch between all open apps. If you want to open Task Manager, Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. If you want to resize the Start menu when it is open, Ctrl plus arrow keys. Press Ctrl plus arrow keys to resize the Start menu when it is open. If you want to copy any kind of selected item, Ctrl plus C. Ctrl plus Z is to undo any action. Ctrl plus Shift is to switch the keyboard layout when multiple keyboards layouts are available. If there are multiple keyboard layouts, just you want to switch the keyboard layout to any other layout, just Ctrl plus Shift. Show your password on the sign in screen. If you want to show your password in the sign in screen, just press Alt plus F8. Alt plus F4 is to close the active item or to exit the active app. If you want to turn the Chinese input method editor IME on or off, Ctrl plus spacebar. Ctrl plus A is the key to select all items in a document or a window. So guys, how was the commands? I hope you will love these. Like my videos and subscribe our channel to get more informative videos like this. Goodbye.